Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. So today we're gonna have something a little bit different. I'm gonna show you guys how I do a quick weave. I have my little sister as my model today and my niece in the background making some cameos throughout this video. She would not stay away from her mom. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do a quick weave, make sure you guys stay tuned. I start off by making my braids in a specific braiding pattern. I'm doing like a side swoop, so I'm keeping a little bit of hair out in the front. Sorry, everyone was moving too much. I didn't really get to show you guys, but hopefully you get the picture. And I don't have any like hairspray to hold the hair down, and so what I'm gonna do is just sew around the edges of the hair. And I also sew the bottom wefts. The first piece that I'm putting in the back of the hair, you want to sew that down so it doesn't come loose, especially like when you're brushing your hair. So I'm just sewing that row, and then the rest of it I'm using some glue I received, well, hair glue I received from my beauty supply store. It's like 30-second holding glue. What I did was do maybe I would say like 4 or 5 rows, and I did lose a little bit of that footage, but I'm showing you guys how I finish off the hair. You just keep going around and around the hairline until you get like this final look where you're getting like kind of like a C swoop. And when you're getting closer to the front, you want to basically just keep gluing around the perimeter of the hair. So I just keep making like circular track motions, if that makes sense. You know, you just want to keep making them go around and around. I'm sorry y'all if I sound crazy, it's just really hard to explain, but just keep watching. I do glue the wefts first, then lay it down, and then blow dry it on a cool setting for about 30 seconds to a minute. And then I also tug on the wefts once I'm done, just to make sure it holds really snug. So just make sure you guys stay tuned. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below, and I will definitely answer those for you. So here is the final look. Doesn't she look so cute? The only thing is that she is natural, so we're gonna have to put a little bit more oil in the little piece of hair that we actually left out. I don't know if you can tell on the side, but this hair looks bomb. I didn't even curl it or anything. I just left the original curl pattern. I love the body wave. She loved it. She was just ready to go. And then I just also cut a little bit in the front just to give it a little bit of a swoop. But I'm loving this hair on her, and I think she loved it as well. She looks so cute and adorable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you show your girl some support. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also hit the subscribe button below. And thank you again for watching. Bye.